Thank you for watching the Wi-Fi configuration tutorial for the WS604 Wi-Fi digital clock. In this video, we will demonstrate how to put the clock into configuration mode, log in to the clock settings webpage, and, as examples, connect our digital clock to 3 different types of Wi-Fi networks with varying encryption types. There are 2 methods to put the clock into configuration mode. The first method is to press and hold the mode button on the back of the clock while plugging in the power adapter. When the clock screen displays AP, it indicates that it has entered configuration mode. Alternatively, you can use the infrared remote control. Press the Mode Plus button, select the function FN6, and then enter the PIN code. Since I haven't modified the PIN, the default is 1234. After entering 1234, the clock will display AP, indicating entry into configuration mode. Once the clock enters configuration mode, it will activate a Wi-Fi network named WS604S clock, which can be detected by our computer or smartphone. This Wi-Fi network is open, so no password is required. After successfully connecting, enter 192.168.4.1 in the browser's address bar to access the clock's configuration webpage. In the main menu, select Wi-Fi settings to enter the Wi-Fi configuration page. In the Wi-Fi name selection box, you will see a list of SIDs of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Here, I will connect to a Wi-Fi network called Xperia_3619, which does not require a password. When we select it, no password input box appears since it's an open Wi-Fi network. We can select it directly and then save. Select to restart the clock and observe. We can see the Wi-Fi status indicator light on constantly, indicating that the clock has connected to the Xperia_3619 network. Okay, now we're demonstrating connecting to the second Wi-Fi network. First, let's get the clock into configuration mode. In the computer's Wi-Fi settings page, select the Wi-Fi network of the clock, named WS604S clocks. Once the computer is connected to the clock's network, enter 192.168.4.1 in the browser to access the clock configuration webpage. This time, we will select a network called Netgear Cibo. This network uses WPA2_enterprise encryption, which is commonly used in enterprises or schools. After selecting it, the clock recognizes its encryption method and prompts for both the username and password. Enter the username U1 and password Cibo6767, then save and restart the clock. Now we see the green indicator light on the clock is constantly on, indicating that the clock has been configured to the local Netgear Cibo Wi-Fi network. Next, we will demonstrate configuring a Wi-Fi network with the most common encryption method. First, let's put the clock into configuration mode. In the computer's Wi-Fi settings page, select the Wi-Fi network of the clock, named WS604S clocks. Once the computer is connected to the clock's network, enter 192.168.4.1 in the browser to access the clock configuration webpage. Now let's put the clock back into configuration mode. This time, we will select a network named Cibo. This network uses the most commonly used WPA2 encryption method. After selecting it, the web page will display a password input box. Enter the corresponding password for the Wi-Fi network, Cibo666888, then select to restart the clock. Now we see the green indicator light on the clock is constantly on, indicating that the clock has been configured to the local SIBO Wi-Fi network. Alright, that concludes the Wi-Fi configuration for the clock. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.